everyone, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, W.D.T. High Performance. Today we're putting on the other tech heads on. And you can see the gasket is on here. This is the gasket right here. And it's on this side too. So we'll be doing that, and before I go any further, I want to screw my sensor in. I'll have to break this side off later to rearrange it. So, anyway, I got my son Christopher here.
Hello.
Say hi, Chris. Oh, you said hi already. And I got my dad right there.
Oh.
So we'll start working on it, and you can see Christopher doing the studs here with the head bolts on it. So yeah, let's get on moving on to it. Alrighty then, I'm going to grab the other head and put it on here. Try this one more time. Okay, thank you, Dad. So let me get a closer look. I think it's in line. Up here, it's all in line. I put this right here. And we will have Christopher come and start doing this soon. Hey Christopher, you want to help right here?
Yep.
Then come over here, bud. Okay, so put this on here.
Okay, on where?
On here. Turn it the other way. Right here. No, 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 no. Right here.
Oh, right here.
Come on.
How it is?
No, it's not on there. Put it on there.
Hello. Thanks.
Right here, kiddo. Good job, Chris.
Thanks. thumbs up, boy
thumbs
up. You're doing good, Grandpa.
Mm-hmm. Here, put this nut on there. You gotta twist it.
I know. Should we use a wrench?
No.
Nope.
Gotta do it by hand. Let's get it started by hand.
Okay, Ham.
Okay, hold on. Let me help you get this started right here. Come on, Christopher, wait, please. Okay, let me get it on here for you, Chris. Get it going. Then I'll let you do the rest.
Okay. Whoops. I got it for you. Here.
Okay, I thought that was screwed on there. Funny.
Oops.
When you can't turn it no more, don't turn it no more. Just leave it because you don't want to strip it. Hold on, let me check it.
It's tightened
Let
and
me see.
snug.
It snug a little bit. Okay, so now do this one right here.
Okay.
Yep. Don't pull down on it. Don't pull down on it. Turn it. Just turn it.
Crank is
Stop.
done.
Stop. Okay, this one is nice and tight.
Yep.
Okay, so this one right here. Hold on. Stop. Stop.
That should be tight.
So let's check it. Hold on. Don't push up.
Yep. Nice and tight.
Move, please, for a sec. Yeah, it was nice and tight. And I believe we did this one. Hold on. Yeah, this one is okay. This one's snug already. So work on. So this one right here has been snugged. Yep. Okay, now we work on this one right here, bud. Okay. Now
Okay.
put it on there. Just hold it straight. Good job. Okay, when you start getting tight. Okay, stop. Stop.
Let's go.
Yep, that's nice. Good job, Christopher. Now do this one right here. Don't over tighten it. Just tighten it. Okay, not too tight. So let's see. Yep, a little bit more and
And snug.
right there, snug. Okay, now do this one right here.
It's your turn.
Nope. Oh. Okay, hold on, let me check it. Yep, it's nice and snug. I'll do this one. Wait, Christopher. Right there. Don't pull down on it, Chris.
I think it's done.
Okay. Well, let me back off a little bit. Okay. So,
Now it's your turn.
fine, I'll do it.
Now it's my turn.
Okay, fine, you can't turn. Oh. You want to over tighten it.
Yep.
Okay, that's.
We did it.
Okay, we're good on that one. And
Oh my, it's almost my dead weight.
okay, start with the center one right here.
Okay.
Come on, start turning it. You got this. No, no, no. Come on, put your hand here.
I got this. Now it's snug.
Okay, let me see. Let me check it. Okay, that's good right there. Come on, let's go this one right
Now it's
here.
your turn.
Nope, just go ahead.
Okay.
I want you to do it, bud.
Okay.
Okay, let's check it. Hold on, hold on. Don't push up on it. check this one more time. Okay. So, so we went to this one right here. What we should do, stop for a sec. Go to this one right here.
Yep.
So we did this one, so I'll go to here. Let's go to this one right here, right now.
Oh, I almost fall down.
Well, be careful. Okay, hold on. Let's check it. Let's check it. Okay. So, take this one off. Go to this one right here. Huh. Okay.
Now it's snug.
Snug. Okay.
Now let's do this part.
Hold on. We already did that one, Christopher. And do this one right here. Come on.
Yes.
Is it good?
Yep.
Okay, what's fun? Let me take a look at it. Yep, nice and snug. And now next we'll be doing the torque on it. We're gonna torque it down.
Let me says.
Okay. It's all bowled up on here. It's not torqued down just yet. So that'll be in the next video. So this is what it looks like from the back. And do a walk around right here. And we got the thing for this already, so we already got it for it here. Just gotta look for it. But other than that, like I said, the next video will be the torque down. It'll be in steps here and here. So, Christopher, what do you want?
Subscribe
Subscribe?
and please share and like and please tickle that
Bell icon?
bell icon and subscribe. Subscribe
Yep.
and goodbye.
Alright, everyone.
Click that button.
So, okay, everyone. So, thank you for tuning into our channel, W.D.T High Performance. Like my son said, please subscribe and please hit like. Please hit the bell icon and for more notifications. And please join our group on Facebook. It's called W.D.T Toys. We'd love to have you. Y'all take care and God bless and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.